Alright, so does anyone know what this is? It's a plantain, plantanos. And I am really missing Miami. I love getting plantanos or plantain when I go to Miami. But it's going to be a while before I can get back there again. So I'm going to be making plantanos maduros. I'm sorry, I mispronounced that. Plantanos maduros, which is basically sweet plantain. So first you want to cut the tip off your plantain. Alright, we'll save this for the compost bin. I actually like cutting my stuff up kind of small for the compost. So we'll put that over there. Alright. It's supposed to compost faster when you do that. Alright, so then we want to take a shallow cut this way. I don't know if I did that deep enough or not. Oh yeah, I think that'll work. Alright, and then peel your plantain. Okay, it kind of came off that, but hey, it's working. Alright. So plantain, it is related to a banana, but it's not a banana. In some cultures, they refer to it as a big banana. Alright, so you want to cut it on the diagonal. I'm doing, what is that? Not quite a ½ inch. I think it's a little more than ¼ inch. Okay. Just wanted to slide on me. There we go. Alright, so now that we have that done, we're going to take it to a skillet that's on high. Alright, so I'm going to turn the heat up on high. I've heated up the skillet, but then I put it on low while I was cutting the plantain. I'm going to move that over. Alright, so I got my oil here. Alright, so we're going to let that heat up just for a few seconds. It shouldn't take long since I preheated my skillet. Alright. So now it's time to put the plantanos into the skillet, or the plantain. Alright, it doesn't take long for it to brown. I can actually tell it's getting kind of brown, a little bit more. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and turn this to medium-low and flip these. And also, I don't know if you could tell, there's smoke coming off my oil, so we definitely want to flip. I'm using peanut oil today, but I'm sure whatever oil you want to use will be fine. that one's real dark. There we go. I'm going to go ahead and move it on to low. Getting there, and I can see it's become softer. I don't know if you can tell, but you see how it's more pliable. Like when I lift it up, they're no longer stiff as a board, but they move. All right. Gonna move these onto a plate now. All right. Alright, so here's my plantain, and I can see there's like a little bit of a pool of oil there, so I'm going to move these to another plate. Well, this will be my mom's plate. Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, she get 5, I get 5. Alright, so this is her 5. Those look so good. They look good to you? Alright, so here are my 5. Actually, I think I got a bonus one under here. Oh well. Don't tell her. Alright, so I haven't really put any seasoning on this. I'm going to try it without. Okay. That's really good. Without seasoning. Hold on. Alright, now I'm going to put just a taste of salt. It's actually a little bit more than a taste. Scrape some of that off. We'll see what it tastes like with salt. Okay. It tastes better with salt. And I'm going to try some with a little cinnamon. I've seen people put a little cinnamon on it. There we go. So there's some cinnamon. And take a bite with just cinnamon, no salt. This is actually the first time I've fixed plantain. Okay. Now we got cinnamon. Now a touch of salt. Okay, salt and cinnamon. See what that tastes like. Okay. That's the key right there. So I'm going to add both salt and cinnamon. Okay. A little bit of salt. And a little bit of cinnamon. Alright. Well, there you have it. Alright, these look really good. The ones I gave my mom. So I'm going to have that there for you to look at as I do my outro. But thank you for stopping by Chef Carter's Cooking Corner. Remember to like, subscribe, and share. you know, if you find my videos helpful, let other people know about it and watch more, learn more about cooking. So also, if you have any requests, you know, I'm open to requests. Can't promise how soon I get to them because I still got one request for ribs. And, you know, we don't eat ribs too often here, even though I love ribs and I have a great recipe for ribs. But yeah, so we will be getting to that. Okay, I think that's just about it. So y'all be safe out there. You know, make sure to wash those hands and, you know, pray. Pray for our country and do what you can do to make things better today for everyone. All right, you have a great day. Take care, y'all.